right? And it makes a turn in front of me. The back door is open, and this ice cooler comes out and falls out of the back. So,
And
oh my God, and then the ambulance doesn't stop. It keeps going, so I run out, I go there, and another person comes out with me. We open it, and there's a cup in ice, you know, with a big toe in it.
Ew!
Oh.
Ew.
Oh my God.
That is nasty.
Yeah, so then the ambulance is running away, and the other guy says,
yeah.
And the other person next to me says, what are you gonna do? Right?
Right.
It's a tow.
Yeah, so what we call a tow truck. You're supposed to say, so what did you do? This is a tow truck. He dicho ese cuento en cirugía, lo he hecho como 2 veces y he cogido siempre a alguien. And what did you do? We call it a tow truck. Wanna kill me. But it's really funny.
Why don't you tell your Cupid joke like
none of you guys said the magic word. Some people are better than that. What did you do? We call it tow truck.
Well, that makes you laugh like that.
I think it's funny.